Hi everyone, this is Erica from Perifit Pump, and today I wanted to do a quick tutorial for you on how to use the bra extender strap. Now, depending on what your bra is made of and depending on your morphology, you might not need it. In some cases, I can just open up my nursing bra, position the Perifit Pump, and then clip the bra back into place. But in this bra, it's pushing my Perifit Pump up and out of position, my nipple isn't centered, and I'm not going to get good output. So in this case, I do want to use the extender strap. To do so, I'm just going to put the Perifit Pump in position as I usually would. Start by hooking the top end of the bra extender strap onto my nursing bra. It's just going to hook into place. It's not necessarily going to clip or anything. And put the bottom part onto the other half of the hook. Now, depending on your bra, it may kind of hook halfway like this. It may pop all the way in. But the important thing is once you're standing up, it's going to be able to maintain the Perifit Pump in position so that you get the best output for your pump.